Hello everyone, it is day 2 on this small project. We're adding a little biofuel stream and an intake bay to an existing concrete pond that the client inherited. And the idea is to give them much better water quality without the need for big factory filters and all that hassle. We've discovered actually a little bit of hydroponic pressure on this pond. I don't know if you can see the line has raised slightly. It rained heavily overnight, so that means groundwater is getting underneath that liner. Couldn't see that before because it was so dirty, the water, nobody had really seen to the bottom. Well, we certainly hadn't. So yeah, there we go, there's a little intake bay we're beginning to build. The pump's inside there. That'll suck in all the debris and leaves into one place. And here's our little biological stream. It's only going to be a tiny little one. Just a nice, not too expensive project. And we can retrofit these to pretty much most ponds if you're fed up of factory filters and all the hassle that involves. Really close. Watch this thing up. Now zoom in, mind your hand on.
So like it's the naturalness of the moth.
Just like 5, 6 at a time then.
It's really hard to tell what's going on. Yeah. Do you want to have a go then?
It's just a mini intake bay. It's only a small pond, no fish. And yeah, it's just filling up, probably another inch to go. And a little stream at the other end.